Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have something exciting to talk about, the Samsung 7 kg top load washing machine. In this video we'll dive deep into its features, performance and why it might be the perfect addition to your laundry routine. So let's get started. First things first, this washing machine boasts a sleek and modern look. Its compact size means it can fit into even the coziest laundry spaces. Now let's explore the features. This washing machine offers a generous 7 kg capacity, which is perfect for small to medium sized families. With multiple wash cycles to choose from, including quick wash, delicates, bedding, jeans, energy saving, and more. With this button you can toggle through the wash cycles. It even has a delay start feature so you can have your laundry ready when you need it. With this button you can toggle through the water levels. And the function button helps in toggling through the options such as wash, rinse and spin. In case if you only want to wash, or if you only want to rinse, or you just want to spin the clothes, that you can do it from here. You can also select in combinations such as wash plus rinse, rinse plus spin, or all three. This is the compartment where you can put the detergent in. And here you can put the softener. And this is for liquid bleach. And this is a steel drum which Samsung likes to call as diamond drum. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or personal experience with this washing machine, feel free to share them in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insightful product reviews. Until next time, happy washing!